Number 7 says each apartment in a 30-unit apartment complex has a 2-kilowatt water heater. Using the optional method, okay, so when we are given that piece of information, make sure you kind of record it in your head. Starts around 220/80 or so. Okay, what is the demand on the service for these water heaters? Okay, I've got a 30-unit apartment complex. Each of these is a 2-kilowatt water heater, so I just basically take 30 times 2. I don't even need the calculator for that. That's 60 kilowatts, right? But we know I'm going to get some kind of reduction. Daddy always gets his reduction. Let's go down. Okay, optional feeder and service calculations here. We have a section for dwelling unit, but we also have a section, if we keep power scrolling a little bit, for multifamily dwellings. Okay, 220/84 multifamily dwellings. And right inside of A here, it says this: it shall be permissible to calculate the load of a feeder or service that supplies 3 or more dwelling units of a multifamily dwelling in accordance with table 220.84b instead of part 3 of this article if all of the following conditions are met. So we're going to want to make sure we meet our conditions. No dwelling unit is supplied by more than one feeder. Each dwelling unit is equipped with electric cooking equipment. Each dwelling unit is equipped with either electric space heating or air conditioning or both. Okay, we're going to make the assumption that these apply here. Okay, they don't give us enough information on how to do this calculation properly, so we are just going to assume that these apply. Okay, and that's a fair assumption given the nature of the question. Okay, so it's really telling us we can use this table right here. Okay, 220/84b for optional calculations. So this is based on the number of units. I have 30 units here, so I'm going to go down and find my section for 30 units, 28 to 30, and I have a demand factor that's associated with that of 33%. Okay, pretty straightforward, right? So I had my 30 30 units. They each have a 2-kilowatt water heater for a total of 60 kilowatts, and then I'm just going to multiply that by 0.33 for 33%, and my total is going to be 19.8. That's going to be my demand load on those. Okay, so 60 times 0.33 equals 19.8 kilowatts. Okay, we always get a little bit of a reduction because not all these things are going to be on at the same time. Okay, Charlie, there you go.